Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to make an authentic South Indian fish fry recipe. Today I'll show you how to prepare fish fry in the simplest yet tastiest way by using minimal ingredients which are always available at home. Let's prepare the marinade. I have taken 4 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, ginger and garlic paste each half teaspoon, salt as per taste. I have used 1.5 teaspoons. Finally, squeezed lemon juice. I have taken half a lemon. Add very little water to make it a fine and thick paste. Next we need fish. I have used pomfret fish. You can use any fish of your choice. Let us start applying the marinade. Coat it well on all the sides. Repeat the same for other pieces as well. After marination, let it sit in the refrigerator for about 20 to 30 minutes. Let's remove the cling wrap, and before we fry the fish, we'll add 2 teaspoons of all-purpose flour. This helps in binding the marinade and the masala will remain intact and not separate from fish while frying. You can also substitute with cornstarch, but do remember, always add the flour just before frying, else the meat will turn rubbery. Heat a pan and add oil so that we shallow fry the fish. Make sure the oil is hot enough before we introduce the fish pieces. You can reduce the heat to medium once you turn the fish sides. Add some curry leaves to enhance the flavor, and this gives a special South Indian touch to the dish. Reserve these crispy curry leaves to use for garnishing. When the fish is crispy, remove it from oil and place it on a paper towel to drain the excess oil. And repeat it with all the pieces. Our crispy South Indian fish fry is ready. A South Indian non-veg meal is incomplete without fish fry, and it is the best combo with rice, sambar or dal, or you can have it as such like a starter. Do try it at home and enjoy. If you liked it, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you all with another recipe. Until then, stay safe, stay happy and feast yourselves, dear foodies.